Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today we are going to completely demystify the 2026 home incline treadmill market. Think of this as your ultimate revision class. We've done all the heavy lifting, sifted through mountains of data, and analyzed verified owner reviews so you absolutely don't have to. We'll be breaking this topic down into easily digestible sections, giving you simple explanations, putting out the absolute most common mistakes buyers make, and equipping you with the exact knowledge you need to succeed. Grab your mental notepads and let's get ready to learn. Right off the bat, we've got to address the elephant in the room. The absolute biggest fear when buying fitness equipment is that you're going to waste anywhere from $500 to over $4,000 on a massive, heavy machine that literally just gathers dust. I mean, we've all seen it, right? The expensive treadmill that slowly transforms into a very, very expensive clothes hanger in the corner of a spare bedroom. A super common mistake learners and buyers make in this market is choosing a machine based purely on a late-night infomercial or a shiny brochure, without really understanding their own actual needs. This review is meticulously designed to prevent you from making that exact costly error. So the goal of today's explainer is simple, but absolutely crucial. We are going to learn how to match the exact right machine to your specific space, your unique fitness goals, and your actual budget. We are cutting straight through all the marketing hype. We're going to completely avoid that home gym trap by turning you into an educated, strategic buyer. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our structured roadmap for today's buyer's journey. First, our selection criteria. Second, top contenders. Third, hidden costs. Fourth, pre-purchase checks. Fifth, buyer profiles. And finally, we will wrap up with the verdict and a quick revision session. All right, section 1, our strict selection criteria. So, how did we actually judge these machines? We established a rigorous 5-pillar rubric to test them against. First up is motor and incline. Basically, an incline treadmill requires a really robust motor, usually around 3.0 horsepower, to handle steep grades without overheating. Second is surface and cushioning. If the running deck hurts your knees, you simply won't use it, plain and simple. Third is build quality and weight capacity. It has to withstand the test of time and support significant repeated impact. Fourth is value for money, meaning no overpriced gimmicks allowed. And fifth, verified owner feedback. We cross-referenced months of real-world use to spot any hidden defects. Now, a common mistake buyers make right here is focusing exclusively on step 4, just looking at that price tag, while completely ignoring step 3, the long-term build quality. That's a huge error that often leads to a broken machine within a year. To quickly recap this section, always evaluate any treadmill purchase against these 5 foundational pillars. That guarantees you're getting genuine, long-lasting value rather than just falling for a cheap deal. Moving on to section 2, the contenders. Let's get into our tailored reviews. Meet our first and honestly top contender, the Horizon Fitness 7.0 AT. This is our absolute best all-around pick for 2026. This machine consistently ranked first across multiple independent long-term tests. And you might be wondering, why? Well, it packs a powerful 3.0 horsepower motor, a true 15% maximum incline, and a really robust 325-pound weight limit. It truly is the gold standard for balancing an approachable price with heavy-duty performance. Let's break down why it wins. The cushioning is absolutely fantastic for joint relief, and it boasts an incredible lifetime warranty on both the frame and the motor, which is huge for peace of mind. But the real star of the show here is the quick dial controls. For example, if you're doing intense interval training, you do not want to lose your running rhythm by desperately mashing flat plastic buttons to change your speed from a walk to a dead sprint. With quick dial, you literally just roll the dial forward with your thumb, and it adjusts instantly. It's brilliant. The cons, well, it has no built-in touchscreen, and it is a massive 277 pounds to set up. A very common mistake here is paying thousands of dollars extra for a built-in screen on a different machine when you probably already own an iPad that can do the exact same job. To quickly recap, the Horizon 7.0 AT is the undisputed champion for pure performance and hardware value. It's absolutely perfect for the buyer who wants a serious workout without forced screen markups. And this brilliantly illustrates the complete other side of the market, the NordicTrack T Series 16. This is our premium experience pick. While the Horizon was all about raw hardware and function, the NordicTrack is designed for users who crave a guided, immersive, and highly motivational coaching experience. It features a genuinely gorgeous 16-inch HD touchscreen that literally plunges you right into virtual trails from all around the world. But, and this is a massive but, we must face a harsh reality check here. $39 a month, that is the recurring iFit subscription cost required to unlock those beautiful premium features. A very common and honestly very painful mistake buyers make is saving up exactly enough money to buy the premium machine itself, but completely forgetting to budget for the monthly subscription required to actually run the thing. Over a few years, that subscription cost can literally rival the price of the treadmill itself. To balance this out, let's look at what that subscription actually gets you. The immersive workouts are genuinely revolutionary. For example, if your screen shows you running up a steep hill in the Colorado mountains, the treadmill automatically adjusts the physical incline to match the video. It is incredible for keeping your motivation high. But you've got to notice the finer details. The incline is limited to only 10%, which is noticeably lower than our other top picks. And NordicTrack has a well-documented history of pretty slow customer support. To quickly recap this premium section, the NordicTrack T16 offers absolutely unparalleled motivational coaching and virtual immersion, but it demands a strict ongoing monthly financial investment to actually be worthwhile. Next up, we introduce a really fantastic dark horse contender, the Bowflex T6. This machine holds the title for the best value under $1,000. It is incredibly rare to find a machine in this specific price bracket that impressively delivers a full, true 15% motorized incline. But somehow, the Bowflex T6 manages to do exactly that, all without breaking the bank. Now, what's really interesting about this machine is the broad app compatibility. Unlike the NordicTrack, the Bowflex doesn't lock you into a single expensive software ecosystem. For example, you could pair it with the Peloton app on Monday and then switch over to Zwift on Tuesday, all running directly from your own smartphone or tablet. It's total freedom. The cons, though, are that the built-in non-app programs are quite basic, and even when you fold it up, it still takes up a pretty significant footprint in your room. A common mistake here is underestimating its size just because it's slightly cheaper. To quickly recap, the Bowflex T6 is the ideal budget-friendly powerhouse for buyers who want those steep 15% inclines and love the flexibility of bringing their own smart devices for entertainment. Let's shift gears to the Sole F63. In the industry, this is universally praised as the beginner's tank. And let me tell you, this machine completely earns that nickname. It is renowned for its incredibly sturdy, literally tank-like build quality, a really strong 3.0 continuous horsepower motor, and a full 15% incline. For a beginner, the treadmill market can be super overwhelming with all the flashy features. A huge common mistake is buying a flimsy, lightweight machine that aggressively rattles and shakes when you try to run on it. The Sole F63 is the exact opposite of that. It's the perfect buy once, cry once machine that fiercely prioritizes industrial durability over fancy electronics. Finally, before we finish the reviews, let's quickly cover two very crucial niche picks. First, the Sunny Health SFT7015. This one is specifically for our ultra-budget walkers, uniquely offering automatic incline for well under $1,000. Second, the Trail Viber walking pad. This is a lifesaver for apartment dwellers. It remarkably folds down to just 6 inches high. That means you can literally slide it right under your sofa when you're done. Auto incline is incredibly rare at these tiny sizes and price points. To quickly recap our niche and durability picks. Whether you need a machine that will confidently last a decade, like the Sole, or one that cleverly hides under a bed, like the Trail Viber, there is a specialized option for your exact constraints. All right, Section 3, Crucial Pre-Purchase Checks. Let's run through 5 critical pre-purchase checks. Think of this as your reality check before you even think about checking out. First, measure your floor space with an actual tape measure, not just by eyeballing it. Second, and this is a massive point, check your ceiling height. When a treadmill deck lifts to a 15% incline, you are pushed significantly higher into the air. For example, if you are 6 feet tall and you set this up in a basement with low ceilings, you will quite literally hit your head on the ceiling. Third, factor in those sneaky monthly subscriptions we talked about. Fourth, be totally honest about weight limits to protect the motor's lifespan. And fifth, plan for a 200-pound plus assembly process. A terribly common mistake buyers make is thinking they can casually carry a 277-pound box up a flight of stairs by themselves. Trust me, you can't. To quickly recap this logistics section, never purchase a treadmill without physically measuring your room's exact dimensions, meticulously calculating your vertical head clearance, and securing a buddy for delivery day. Logistics matter just as much as the machine itself. Section 4, Buyer Profiles. Is this actually for you? Let's self-reflect for a moment. Who should actually buy an incline treadmill? Well, if you have joint issues and desperately need low-impact exercise, this is totally for you. Walking at a steep incline can burn up to 113% more calories than walking flat. That gives you massive results with way less joint pounding, while heavily targeting your glutes and hamstrings. But who should avoid this? If you are a serious flat runner training for pure speed, you don't need huge inclines. And more bluntly, a common mistake is trying to force a tiny budget. If your total budget is under $500, you should honestly avoid this market entirely. At that price, you're buying junk, and you are much better off just walking outside for free. To quickly recap, ensure your specific physiological goals, like high-calorie but low-impact fat burn, directly align with what an incline treadmill actually does before you spend a single dime. And that brings us to Section 5, the final verdict and revision. Let's move to our summary and see how this all builds together. Let's break down our final matchmaking matrix for you. If you want the absolute best all-around hardware, get the Horizon 7.0 AT. If you are strictly on a budget but still want that motorized incline, choose the Sunny Health or the Bowflex T6. If you require premium immersive virtual coaching, the NordicTrack T16 is your machine. If space is your absolute worst enemy, get the Trail Viber. And if you are a beginner who wants a machine that will essentially survive an apocalypse, buy the Sole F63. To quickly recap our final verdict, our central mantra today is incredibly simple. Don't overbuy features you won't use, don't underbuy quality that will easily break, just buy the right machine for you. All right, just like a proper revision class, let's test what we've learned today with 5 rapid-fire questions to solidify your knowledge. Number 1, what are our core criteria? Remember, it's motor, surface, build, value, and feedback. Number 2, what is the Horizon's best feature? It's those incredible quick dial controls for seamless interval training. Number 3, what is the NordicTrack's hidden cost? That mandatory $39 a month iFit subscription. Number 4, why is ceiling height so important? Because a steep 15% incline lifts you substantially higher off the floor. And number 5, what is the best incline treadmill under $500? None of them. Seriously, just go walk outside. So the crucial, provocative thought we want to end on today is this. Which of these specific machines truly matches your actual home gym goals? Or if you're being totally honest with yourself, are you secretly going to let your new purchase become a $4,000 clothes hanger? I challenge you to make an honest, educated choice about your personal fitness journey based on absolutely everything we review today. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Stay focused, make smart choices, and